Welcome back to the Windows Club. Is your Windows 11 PC stuck on the wrong screen resolution? Many times, mostly after a Windows update or after installing a new graphics card, you may not be able to adjust the display or screen resolution. Sometimes you are unable to find an option to change the screen resolution because the drop-down freezes or it always reverts to the previous resolution. In this video, I will show you the most effective fixes to get your display back to normal. Let's get started. Check display settings. Go to Settings, then select System, then Display. Scroll down to Display Resolution and click the drop-down menu. If the correct resolution is available, select the recommended option and Keep Changes. If the resolution can't be changed or immediately switches back, move on to the next fix. Update or roll back the graphics driver. The primary reason for this issue is driver misconfiguration. Sometimes drivers aren't compatible and they choose a lower resolution to stay safe. So let's first update the graphics driver or maybe roll back to the previous version. Here is what to do. Press Win+X and select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. For the best results, download the latest graphics driver directly from your PC or GPU manufacturer's website, such as Dell, HP, Lenovo, Intel, AMD or Nvidia. If your driver has already been updated to the latest version, you can try rolling back to the old driver. This is only possible if you have a backup driver installed before the update, which you can find on the OEM website. Follow these steps to roll back the drivers. Open your graphics adapter's properties, go to the drivers tab, click roll back driver if the option is available. Then restart your computer and check whether the correct resolution is restored. Enable GPU scaling. If you own an AMD graphics card or Nvidia, you may want to check GPU scaling option. It allows scaling the image so it fits the screen both vertically and horizontally. That is, no black borders. Here is how to do so. For AMD users, open AMD Radeon Web software. Go to Display, turn on GPU scaling. For Nvidia users, open the Nvidia control panel. You can either create a custom resolution under Change Resolution or open Adjust Desktop Size and Position and experiment with full screen, aspect ratio or no scaling. Keep in mind that changing scaling settings may affect gaming performance in some situations. Assign high-performance graphics to an app. If the issue affects only one application and everything else looks normal, go to Settings, then System, then Display, next select Graphics. Select the application and assign it to the high-performance GPU. This can resolve blurry or incorrectly scaled applications. Create a new Windows user account. If none of the previous fixes work, your Windows profile may be corrupted. Create a new user account, sign in with it, and check whether you can change the screen resolution there. To add a new person to your computer with their own desktop and files, open Settings, then click Accounts. Scroll down and click Other Users or Family and Other Users. Click Add Account or add someone else to this PC. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username, password and security questions, then click Next and follow the on-screen prompts. If it works, consider migrating your files to the new profile. So those are the most effective ways to fix screen resolution issues in Windows. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.